In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to cancel your Adobe free trial. Now, this is a very quick and simple thing to do, and the first thing you'll need to do is actually head over to the Adobe website. Now, for this video, I'll be showing you how to do it on my computer. However, this same process can be copied on any device of your choice, so use whichever device you find easiest. However, the first thing you need to do is just head over to Adobe and just sign into your account. And you can do that on PC by going up to the top right corner and clicking sign in. From there, it will ask us to sign in with an email address. However, we can also use our accounts for Google, Facebook and Apple. And I've actually got an account with Google, so I'm just going to sign in via Google right now. Okay, so I'm now signed into Adobe. And what we actually want to do from here is go up to the top right corner. And we can just click on this profile icon. Now, this will bring open this menu. However, we just want to go to Manage Account, which we can find right here underneath our name. From there, you'll be taken to this page and you should be on the overview section where you can see important things about your account, including your plan. And here we can see the free trial that I've currently got active, and it is for Photoshop. So how do we actually go about cancelling this free trial? To start with, you want to look for the plan you've got. So as you can see, mine's Photoshop right here. And underneath that, it says Manage Plan. So I'm just going to click Manage Plan. And we now have two options. We can either find a better plan or we can end our free trial. Now, since we're trying to cancel our free trial, we're going to choose the second option. And we're just going to simply click this button here, which says cancel your free trial. From there, they say we're sorry to see you go. Which one of these describes your experience? And you want to just tick the box that applies to you. So if you found it too expensive, you can simply click it's too expensive. From there, you can scroll down and click continue. And they will then tell us when we cancel, we will lose access to all of these things. Now, if you wanted to continue cancelling, we can simply click this blue continue to cancel button. And from here, they will try and give us a better deal. So here they offer us the same plan, but a cheaper price. And they also offer all these different plans to try and get us to stay with them. However, if we're certain we want to cancel our plan, we can continue and go no thanks. And from there, we reach the final step where they tell us what happens when we cancel. And as long as we are happy with this, we can click confirm cancellation. And from there, you have now successfully cancelled your Adobe free trial. So if you found this video helpful, please comment down below to say it helped you out, and like and subscribe to see more content like this. Thanks for watching.